just for 1 minute. If you like, just say, on our way down.
Thank you very much. I was saying myself, but I think just to say, maybe to make a little contribution to what Professor Golo had just said. But before that, let me acknowledge and the Vice Chancellor and all the groups that are in the front. I think, you see, when she narrated post-colonial Africa in relation to women, I mean pre-colonial and post-colonial Africa, and the role of women, I think what we mean is how we define value in pre-colonial Africa and how we define value. We just translated into modernity, and now value and power is measured only in terms of money and the access to wealth. That is not how it was. Well, talking from Yoruba perspective, wealth is not anywhere. It's about 5th or 6th in the rank, according to how you value a person. You see, we have upon knowledge. First, iman. Wisdom. Second, oye, discernment. Third, valor. The people defend the society. Fourth, before you now go to access to wealth, when they are talking about an important person, they say he's an honorable. They say he's Oyilola. That Ola does not mean money. They call honorables Oyilola. They call wealthy person Oluwu. You get it? So they can say Oyilola, Oluwu. He has honor and he has wealth. So honor was not equal to wealth. But now, we value people in terms of access to wealth. And that's why they are now saying women are marginalized. No! See, we had a conversation, 3 professors. Actually, I went, a professor of chemistry came from UNU, and we were doing pre-accreditation assessment. I went to university in Kogi State. And the other professor, we were talking, and the wife of the vice chancellor was sitting, and he said, he asked the vice chancellor, he said, in this house, who normally uses the word, this my house? Who normally calls this my house? And the men there were like, and have you ever said, this my house in your house before? How? It's the woman that is the owner of the house. So who is the head of the house? In Yoruba, we call the woman Yaile. She's the owner of the house. So there was no competition. That's why you will have the Marimi Agasoro, who offered herself when her nation was enslaved. She went into slavery to detect what was the power, she surrendered herself to be captured as a slave, to go and find out what is the power of those groups, and sneaked herself back, and then they were able to overcome them. And the other women who led, if they were like our own now that are always feeling dejected and marginalized, would they have taken those kind of steps?
we are looking at contribution in terms of money. And we have to change that. We have to change looking at the contribution of society in terms of who has money. And that's why the woman does not have money, but she controls everything in the home. It is what she wants done that is done in the home if you want to have peace. So, in the traditional society, women are not marginalized. But in this modern society, because they are not the one that had the cause, we say they are marginalized. Because that's why, because they are not the one that are going out to bring the money. But if you are not careful, your home does not belong to you. When you become less, when you are no longer the one who is she's in charge of the children. So who is the one powerful? So you see, we have to change that concept of value if we want to get the right solution to our problems. And it is this real concept of value that is making our children now, because you just get the money anyhow. You don't have to have Ola, which you have from knowledge, wisdom, discernment, and value, which are the real things, the real drivers of development. These are the real drivers of development. Now, so the children do yahoo and get money and that.